Alright, so I wasn't sure if I was going to make this video or not, so that's why you didn't see me actually season the brisket. But today, got the dog excited on that one. Today, we are going to be doing a brisket lean, so half of a brisket, and I'll show you what that bad boy looks like right now. Alright, so here's the brisket lean that I'm going to be smoking tomorrow morning. It is with the Papa Hoss barbecue brisket rub that I have created, and I will see you guys back on the smoker. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot to tell you is that the lean is injected with beef tallow just to help it not be so dry and moisten it up a bit. So this is an experiment. Today we are going to be doing a beef tallow injected brisket lean. Sounds like fun. Also, one more thing, or a few more things I wanted to kind of predict. I don't think there's going to be a stall just because there's no point to the brisket. And I think it's going to take, for a 5-pound brisket lean, I'm thinking 5 to 8 hours. So no stall with an 8-hour cook time. That's my predictions. Let's see if I'm right. Alright, it is cook day. It's actually right before 6 a.m. The sun's barely even up. And I did what every cook starts with, and I started my fire. Starting with the coals. And that's going to take about 20 minutes. Get that in the shot. It's going to take about 25, probably, maybe, to heat all the coals up. But yeah, I'm doing the brisket lean today. The beef tallow injected lean. And like I said, it should be about a 6 to 8 hour cook. No stall, I'm guessing. If it is a stall, I think it's going to be a really short stall. But we will see. I will get back to you guys when I get it on the pit. And side note, I just wanted to say I finally got myself a cool little apron, so I don't keep ruining my shirts. It's got all these nice pockets. I can just put my hands in like this. I can watch the fire burn. It's got this little, I don't know what it is, but it's perfect for my microphone clip when I'm shooting videos. So that's a plus. And it was like 15 bucks on Amazon. Hell yeah. Just wanted to give everybody an update of where we're at right now. Right now we're letting the brisket get up to temp. So not up to temp, but not cold when we put it on. Not fridge cold. We're getting the log ignited so we can get the pit up to temp. Right now we're at 150, so we got a little bit more to go. But we are rocking and rolling, and the brisket should be on the pit soon. Alrighty, so the pit is up to temp. The brisket is on the lower rack because I'm also going to be making ribs today, but that's not part of the video, so you don't need to worry about those. But here's the experiment. What happens to a beef lean if you inject it with beef tallow? You can see it oozing the beef tallow out. So I don't know. We will see. Alright, like I said, 6 to 8 hours maybe less, maybe more. I don't know. I've never done something like this before. And yeah. So alright. So it's been about an hour, give or take, and we are setting at 250 for the chamber, but the grate is at 203 right now because I just put the ribs in. And alright, so it's been a couple minutes, and as you see, the smoke is finally under control. We got that thin blue smoke. We're sitting at 235 at the grate level. We're sitting at just below 250 at the top rack, so everything is good. We got the ribs, we got the brisket lean on. This is a good smoking day. The sun's coming out. Not sure if you can see that, but yeah, it got real smoky because I threw a log on and it hadn't caught yet. But now that it's caught, everything's back up to temp. We are good to go. All right. So we're about 2 hours into this cook, and everything's going smoothly still. The brisket is starting to look good, starting to develop part of a crust. I just don't know if there's going to be enough time. The ribs are looking good too. I think we might have to do some fire management. too worried about it. The log just caught, that's what's going on. But yeah, we are about 2 hours in. The upper grate is about 250, and this is obviously catching up. So alright guys, so we're sitting at about 169 internal for the brisket, so I'm going to go ahead and spray them in the ribs. Just some regular apple juice, try to cool it down a bit. Bark is looking decent, but yeah, we're moving along smoothly. So the next time you guys see me, I should be wrapping the brisket. I'm going to be wrapping it with tallow, because tallow soaked, injected, soaked, tallow brisket lean seems like a good idea. And yeah, I'll see you guys then. Alright, so we literally just hit 2 hours into this cook, and my internal probe is showing 167, so I really hope that this lean has some type of stall, because it is 8:30 in the morning and this thing's going to be done by 10. I was hoping it'd be done around 1. It's cooking a little fast, but like I said, that's what the experiment's about. Alright, so either I'm getting lucky with a stall, which I didn't think would happen because it's been about a half hour and it hasn't really gone up at all. It's even gone down 2 degrees. So maybe we're in a stall. I don't know. Or maybe just spraying it with the apple juice cooled it down enough where it slowed the cooking down a little bit. I don't know. I'll keep you guys posted. I just wanted to let you know that cooking a brisket lean, there's a chance a stall happens. I'm shocked. Alright, so at this point it's about 3 hours in and it's sitting at about 171 internal, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it and put some tallow. Ooh, I'm gonna wrap the ribs soon too. Okay. There you go. When I say I'm keeping this bad boy moist, I'm keeping it moist. Maybe a little too moist? Is there such a thing? I don't know. Like I said, it's all an experiment. We'll see if any of this actually pays off. One, two. I don't need all that. It's time to rotate this. Okay. There you go. All right, and that should do it. All right, so it seems like I was wrong in both my predictions. It did kind of have a stall, only for like 30 minutes though, but it did have a stall. And I thought it'd take 6 to 8. It's about 4.5 hours and it's hitting about 200 right now. Got the dog in the crate, he didn't like that. But yeah, it's about 200 right now, so it's probably going to be done within the next half hour. So that's about 5-hour cook time on a 5.5 pound brisket lean, even injected. It didn't seem to add too much cooking time. We'll see how it tastes. Alright guys, the internal probe just hit the internal probe just hit 205, so I'm going to go ahead and take it off. I'm going to post this video on my Facebook page, Papa Hoss Barbecue. Go ahead and follow that page to see how this turned out. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and follow. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm Papa Hoss. See you later. Bye. Alright, so editor's note, I tried the brisket after about 4 hours and 45 minutes. It was really good, but it was really tough. So I don't think I'll be doing a brisket lean by itself again. It just doesn't give enough time for the fat to render. So would I do this again? Nah, this experiment I think was a failure. But hey, we got a full brisket next week, right? So, and I got my commercial warmer coming, so that's gonna be pretty sweet. I think the brisket would have worked this time. The brisket lean would have worked this time had I been able to rest it for about 10, 12 hours, 17 hours, whatever. It just, the hour and a half rest that I did just didn't give it enough time to settle, to set. But yeah, it was a little tough. And on to the next one. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.